as most of you guys know, I've been working on Jaya's hair, trying to get it to grow. It seems every time I go to the hair store, I end up buying her more hair stuff. And honestly, her hair box is completely full, so I don't even know where I'm gonna put all of this stuff. But she was needing some more hair, so I got this jumbo twist type of hair that's crochet, and then of course I got Marley hair. So let's do her hair. So right now I'm just using that mixture I showed you guys in my first video and just putting it all in her hair. I will have the link below if you did not see her first video, but her hair has made tremendous progress. I know it probably doesn't look like it because of the way I have it slicked back, but it has definitely filled in the areas. You guys are gonna see when I start putting her hair in her ponytails how many ponytails I can now put it in. But yeah, it's definitely thinning. It's definitely thickening up and filling out in her hair. She has gotten used to doing the style that I'm going to show you guys, and honestly I really am enjoying this style because one, it's easy to do and it lasts much longer than the other styles I was doing. I noticed that when her hair was a little bit shorter than it is now, that it was kind of hard for me to keep up with the style for, you know, a week. I would really have to work to keep it up for the entire week. But with this style, I can get away with keeping it up for a week and a half. So I think that definitely comes with the territory of her hair growing out a little bit more. So I'm gonna stop talking. What I'm gonna do is kind of self-explanatory. I'm gonna go ahead and start parting and putting the hair in her ponytails, and then I'm gonna crochet some, not a lot, just enough of the Marley hair into her hair, and then braid it into a French braid, making sure that I also braid her hair into the braid. So you guys are gonna see exactly what I'm doing, but yeah, it's working out great. One thing I did change, I do not do the rice water treatment as often. I do it about once or twice a month now, but mainly like just once a month. I was noticing that her hair texture changed a lot when I did it, and that kind of alarmed me. So yeah, we're only doing it once a month, but for the most part we're deep conditioning. Now remember guys, the front of her hair and her hairline, I know it kind of looks alarming, but her father's hairline is like that. So I just have to work on making sure that I give that area some extra care, because honestly that's hereditary. Like, she gets her hairline from her daddy. So yeah, I'm gonna have to work extra on that area. But for the most part, the other areas have grown in tremendously. We do have some work to do, but it's coming along. You know, patience makes perfect. So we're being patient here, and just we're making sure we take care of our hair as much as possible. you know, I remember when I was a little girl, having beads in my hair was my absolute favorite too. I loved to shake them. I thought I was the stuff. So I just love that she enjoys this part, and she always tries to help mommy. Here. Good job, Baba. And here's the final results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Always, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.